In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LC phone and email in GoHighLevel the right way. By the end, you'll have calling, texting, and email fully configured so your outreach is reliable and compliant. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the left-hand menu and click Settings. Inside Settings, find and open Phone Numbers. This is where you'll add your LC phone number for calls and SMS. Click Add Number and select a number to purchase. Choose something that matches your audience, like a local area code or a toll-free option, and complete the purchase through LC phone. You'll be prompted to register your number, including A2P details if required. This registration is important because it helps carriers trust your messages and improves deliverability. Provide accurate business information and follow the prompts. If approval takes a bit of time, that's normal. After the number is added, select it and make sure both SMS and calling are enabled. Double check that those toggles are on so you can send texts and place calls from the same line. Next, assign the number to the correct location or sub-account. Assigning it properly ensures your pipelines, users, and automations use the right phone line and that reporting stays clean. Now let's set up email. Still in Settings, click Email Services. Choose Add Service and pick your provider. LC email for a built-in option, Gmail for direct Google integration, or SMTP if you're connecting an external email server. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in or enter your SMTP details from your provider. If you're using LC email or SMTP, you'll need to verify your sending domain. The system will give you DNS records to add at your domain registrar, typically SPF and DKIM. Add those exactly as shown, allow a little time for DNS to propagate, then return and confirm verification. This step dramatically improves deliverability and helps keep your messages out of spam. With the connection verified, set your default sending email. Pick the connected address you want all campaigns and workflows to use by default so your sends are consistent across the account. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Finally, test everything. Send a test SMS, make a quick test call, and send a test email to confirm they all deliver correctly. If anything fails, revisit the settings you just configured and verify statuses. That's it. You've set up LC phone and email in GoHighLevel the right way. Thanks for watching.